Visit the Louvre at night to avoid crowds and have an ultimate experience with the greatest art. Discover why it's a must-visit attraction. Visiting the Louvre at night is an uncompromised experience with equally amazing views as during the day. The galleries remain well lit with artificial lighting, making exploration a quality experience at any time. Exploring the Louvre during the day can be rushed, but at night with fewer crowds, visitors can take their time to appreciate the artworks. But wait, there's more. On Fridays, the Louvre remains open until 9:45 p.m., giving you extra time to explore. Click the link below in description to book your tickets, and for more such videos, subscribe to our channel.